How to hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. Let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Instagram. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now head over to your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Once you are in this page, scroll down and you will see the option of Limit Interactions. Move into it. Well, you have to turn on this option. First of all, click on When we will remind you to turn this off. You can select the days as per your need. Tap on Done. Now click on Turn On at the bottom of the screen. This way, the interactions with other people will be limited and they might not be able to see your post as well. If not, go back and head over to Restricted. Tap on Next at the bottom. In the search bar, search for the person from whom you want to hide your post. Once you find their profile, click on Restrict. Well, this person has been restricted. Now you will not be able to view any of the story or posts in the feed of this person. Likewise, this person will also not be able to interact in your post or feed. It will be limited. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.